My comrades, regai tikuudzei. All the political persecutions dziri kuitwa to our followers, we are watching very closely. Hatina kuvhara maziso, tiri kuona zvese zviri kuitika. Then number 2, macomrades ari kufamba nesu pano paZim revolution. You must understand the difference of the revolution as a whole and the Zim revolution as a group ratiri kufamba naro pano. Isu pano, we are not cowards. We are not playing. We understand where we are coming from and we know where we are going. This group is led by people of the correct generation. So anything that happens from other groups, it's none of our business. Isisu, we know our focus point and we don't need assistance from anyone. Saka regedzai kuzoti grupa nevamwe. When you see us participating in whatever program inenge yadeedzerwa nemamwe macommanders revolution, we are in support, but we have a clear program on our own. Because the generation which is suffering is our generation. Ipapo paziwei. We don't get instructions from anywhere. We do things according to our own way and our own understanding. Saka nobody come achitiudzira kuti fambai makadai. Anenge aona kuti mabatiro atiri kuita basa pano haasi kuenderana nawe, enda kuzanu, batane vamwe moita zvamuri kuita ikoko. Enda kuwhatever political party, batane vamwe variko moita zvamuri kuita ikoko. We don't want to keep on adding numbers of useless people in these people's agenda. Hatina kupusha this revolution agenda from nowhere. Proper research was done. We understand what is happening in each and every province. We understand the looting which is happening in the country. We understand the long-term effects of state capture. Macomrades akasungwa vari kufighta for a better Zimbabwe. Those are not criminals. Major streets ari kupiwa basa iri. It's up to you to be compromised moteerera zvamuri kuudzwa naMnangagwa nezvigananda. But you need to make sure that your comrade must be able to protect you when the time comes. Kana wati wewe, you need to take instructions from Zvigananda and Mnangagwa and persecute our people. Let it be known that you are a servant of Mnangagwa, you are not a servant of Zimbabweans. But if you are a servant of Zimbabweans, give our people their bail and give them fair trial. We are not friends here. We respect the system very well. We respect the laws of Zimbabwe, but we don't respect abuse of our people. Saka chidhanana cheramwena nekuti mvura zhinji ichanaya. Tiri kutaura pano, we are in charge here. Hapana akambotiona tichidududza tichigogodza ofisi yake tichiti tibatsire anything. We do things on our own. Saka those who are being used to abuse our people, maakufanirwa kuchera makomba, or else the game continue. Then we go to 2030 nonsense. Wanachinamasa must be told. Chimunamasa mubrakwacha. He was someone I inform aibatsira achitengesa vanhu kuma-Rhodesian forces. Hatinzwi nachinamasa isisu. We don't hear from him. If he is talking of 2030, he must take his 2030 kumba kwake. Implementation yavari kutaura ye-2030 agenda. We are watching very closely. Go ahead and do whatever you are doing. Handiti ndimuri kutonga. You are there to abuse the law. Isisu tinobatana pakuyambuka, ndo pari important. We don't waste energy nezvinhu zvisina basa. You bring on your topic, work on it. implementa ikatoni. We are here, we are watching. Pambe